Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm Nancy from Guangzhou Yinduo leather factory. Our factory major produce high quality handbags, both real leather bags and top PU bags. And today I will show some of our new collection. The first collection was our personalized handbags, but I will our leather bags major made by first layer covered leather because most of our customers will be choose the covered leather for their leather handbags. For this collection, it's made by first layer soft purple leather, and the purple is not so big. Also, it's not so small. You can see that the touch feeling is really nice. And here was another group. It's the small purple. Can you see it clearly? Also, it's made
Okay, I believe there is some connection problems here. So we will reconnect with,
not so simple.
sorry,
Yes.
there is some connection problem. So better, yeah, you bring the products to the camera and it's perfect now.
Yes, this one was we made for one of our customers. It's the customer's own leather. It's vintage leather. I just want to show you because this was the back goods. I just want to show you some of the our production details. You can see the oil pans. It's very smooth because we are more. Our factory actually was more focused on back details. Just like the stitch, the oil pans, even the back details, we have very strictly quality control. Here also was some goods we made for our customers. Here was one group. It's we made for this brand. These customers also make both PU and leather. And this was the back goods as well. Besides, we also make some special leather. Just like the lambskin leather, as well as the goat leather. For some leather accessories, just like this one is made by goat leather. It's very soft. Can you see the leather surface? It's very natural. Okay, we will have a look at our other PU collection. Here was one group because we also made some leather handbags for men. So here was some briefcase and business bag for men. Just like this one. It's a briefcase. Just like all the details, like the cone. We have very strictly details for these details. This leather was important leather. Also, some of our customers will be made the real leather for trimming and the fabric or lining for major material, just like this one. This total bag. Because for such big total, if all the bag was made by leather, it will be very heavy. So many customers would like to choose the lining or fabric for body and the leather for trimming. It's okay for us. We also can make it. Later we will have a look at our showroom because we also make some top quality PU handbags. Here was some structured PU bag, and here was some backpack. This group backpack was made by smooth leather. And this smooth leather actually is not so expensive. But the touch feeling is really nice, and the leather is not so shelly. Okay, here was some peel bag, coat peel bag we made for our customers, or some ones we made for our own brand. For some complicated bags, just like this one, this was also production goods, not the sample. You can see that the structure is really complicated. But for the oil paints and the details, the stitch, it's really nice. We also make bags for this brand. Okay, later we will be show one of our last collection. It's the personalized handbags, because we made lots of personalized handbags for our customers. Just like this group. And here I just show one. For the personalized handbags, all the arrows can be personalized. For this one, you can see, actually, here has the details. Actually, if customers need, all the bags details can be different one by one, so it's personalized. Even the metal pledge, you can see that, also can be different one by one. For the personalized handbags, it's very different from other orders, because that it's very complicated and the time is really different. Normally for personalized handbags, for our personalized handbags.
So Nancy, we received some questions from the buyers. So one question is, where is your factory?
Our factory was in Baiyun area, Guangzhou State.
Oh, so it's in Guangzhou. Also, she asked, I believe, whether your factory have a BSCI certificate or any other certificates.
Yes, we are BSCI members, because last time we have customers from Germany required we do it, so we did it.
Oh, so you answer the next question is, do you also work with European customers?
Which customer, sorry?
European. Customer from Europe. So I believe you are now.
Oh yes. We made some bags for customers. We also have some customers from Germany and France.
So the next question is, what is the MOQ and price of your products?
For our leather bags, the MOQ was 100 pieces per color, and for peel bag, it's 200 pieces per color.
And whether your material is sustainable?
Material, yes, of course. Because for the material, for peel or leather, you mean? Because for peel, it's very good to see. For leather, also we have so many leather material suppliers, and for all the design, we will give some suggestion to our customers when our customers choose leather material.
Okay, so I believe these are the questions from buyers. Thank you, Nancy, for your presentation. And Guangzhou Yinduo is one of our fashion access exhibitors. So hopefully next year in 2021, I'll see you again. And yeah, in the meantime, if buyers, if you have any questions, you can go to the apf.com website and you can ask for details and make online appointment. And our teams of marketers can help you to organize one-on-one online meeting so that you can talk to Nancy as long as you want.